How to do a hardship withdrawal from 401k. First of all, a 401k hardship withdrawal is meant to cover an immediate and urgent financial need that cannot be met from other sources. You may qualify if you need money for medical expenses, funeral costs, post-secondary education, or to prevent eviction or foreclosure on your primary residence. After that, check with your plan administrator to confirm that your plan allows hardship withdrawals. You will need to document your need with bills, invoices, or proof of the emergency. Then, fill out the required forms and submit your request. Keep in mind, the money you withdraw will be taxed as income. If you are under 65, you could also face a 10% early withdrawal penalty, unless your reason is one of the IRS-approved exceptions. Once withdrawn, the money cannot be put back, and it will reduce your retirement savings and potential future growth. You may also explore alternatives like taking a 401k loan, using an emergency fund, or personal loans before choosing a hardship withdrawal. So this is how to do a hardship withdrawal from 401k. Like and subscribe if this helped.